Hello guys, today we're gonna open this box. Let's see what's in. We have this pack. And my dad is here. You know that he's next to the couch. So let's open.
Show what it is.
It's the exercise pack. So let's open it and see what's inside. I just opened it. You have still more tape.
Another one.
There's another one. There's like more tape. One more. Let me open it.
Here, give me that. I'll use a knife.
Okay. Let's open this. Come on, guys. Oh, I opened it. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here. Yo. Let's open it. And
Have another tape.
we need more work. Let's. I know, guys, it's taking too long.
Wait,
So I gotta use
a scissor.
scissors for this. So my dad is gonna give me scissors. Thanks.
You have another one. There you go. One more. One more.
Two more to go, guys.
There you go.
So we have this, this. We got tons of these. Yo, we have more. Got these things. That's cool. Then we have this. We have some tools. look, there's something over here. This is big. Ooh, look at these. These are for push-ups. That's cool. And we have more. We got this. Again, we have two of these. I don't know what. Then we have this thing for the little one. We got these blue things for something else. And we have more. It's okay. Because a lot of these things are these. So let me put some of these. So it doesn't set it right. And we have the two of these last ones. Okay, let's put them in. This, guys, we're gonna put them in. This is recycle. Don't see this. I'm gonna put them. I'm gonna put the scissors here. Ooh, look at these. These are like cool. Not too heavy. We need some sand. These are kind of cool. And let's put them. First, this is kind of heavy. Like, my dad bought them. My dad bought them these toys. Last time we got scammed. Like, got a lot of scam. So let's open these things. Safety first. We need scissors. Watch out. Yo, we got loose. We got these. We got these tools. Or something. We got these tools. I don't know what these tools do. But are you serious, they scam us? I don't think they scam us. Let me see. Yep, they scammed us. I think there was like what's Yoey, this is for hula hoops. Yo, it is! Okay, let's cut them. Yeah. Oh, it's right here. Yeah. Let's see, I can get my first try. Bruh, are you serious? I didn't get my first try. I didn't get my first try. But, come on. There's two of these, I don't know. Wait a second. Oh! Bruh. No. Bro. What happened, bro? This is supposed to be for this. That's it. Bro, I did a big mistake. I need to take this thing. This is 500. So, which one is the most longest? Are you serious? Let's put this everything.
Put the orange knot.
Huh?
You see the orange knot?
Yeah.
Put it there. Screw it in. You see? So it will not fall. It won't fall. Put the knot there. No, look at the orange.
This?
Yeah, no, the other looks like a flower.
Oh,
that,
this.
yeah. Screw.
Oh
Put it in.
no, we have a blue.
Okay.
Let's put this
Okay,
in.
screw. No. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. There you go.
Yay, let's go, man.
If you wanna make it bigger, use that screw. Yeah, there you go. Screw more. Screw. Like you closing. No, do a full turn. Forward. Yeah. Forward. Keep going. Elijah, look. Turn it. Yeah, like that. See?
Okay, guys, we're making it bigger. It's more easier. Oh my god. Come on, guys, you need to get to be healthy. Yo, we're almost there. And finally, we made it. Let's put this.
No, wait. Use that. The other one.
And now,
Elijah, look. This one. The other bar.
this.
Yeah. You have to do the same thing. Screw. Other way. The other way. No, you're losing that. There you go.
Come on, guys, this is difficult. Bro, it's moving. Come on, guys, we're almost there. Come on, we need 2 more left. One more cube. And we're almost to the end. And 3, 2, 1. Boom. We made it. Now let's put some. The green one, second one. Pink one, third one. The blue one. Yo, this is cool. Okay, guys. Today we now gonna fix this. I forgot. This is supposed to be this one. This one is the right one, bro. Okay, guys, we finally finished. But first, let's put these in. Okay, guys, be healthy, be strong, and be good. We finally fixed everything. I hope you like our videos and healthcare. So, so be healthy, be good, and be strong. Bye, guys. See you guys. Make sure to be good. Bye.